Good news, guys. I finally found a website that helps you to use GrokAi for free without any sign up or linking of card. And not just GrokAI, there are 60 plus other AI tools that you can actually use for free as well. This is amazing. Let's just dive in. I don't have time to waste. Okay, so we go to our Chrome browser. You can also use any of your browser that you use to browse. Now, go to this website, KIE.api. Yeah, there. Yeah, this second one, all right? This one, KIE.api. Okay, so let's go. Let's click on it. All right, so click on this first one here. All right, okay. Wait for this to load up. Now, once we're here, you should connect your account, like your email. Okay, you can see this. There, that's my email. So connect your email. Okay, connect your email to the website first. Then you go to Explore AI API. All right. So when you're here, you're going to find so many AI tools that you can actually use for free. If you look down here, if you look below here, you see this. It's amazing. See, 64 models, alright? 64 AI tools that you can actually use as well, not just Grok AI. Because Grok is trending, and also most of us like using Grok because it actually gives us better images or videos that is more cinematic or more realistic as well. Alright, so let's go now. So let's search for Grok. Okay, oh, it's already here. Okay, good. But let me just show you, in case you want to search for anyone, just come down here to search for model. Okay, so I'll see, just search for Grok here. Grok, alright. So when you're here, as you can see, it has brought us Grok for us here. Okay, Grok Imagine. So what we'll just have to do now is click on the screen. Here they say try it. Don't click on try it. Just click on the screen. Just tap on your screen. Good. At that place where you're seeing that lady on that face there, just tap there. And then it will take you to this place. Alright. Now, when you're here, you can choose if you want to do image to image, image to video, text to image, or text to video. Personally, I would like to do text to video, alright? I like to do text to video, okay? Yeah, here is a prompt. It has already given us, but I want to use my own prompt, right? This is a default prompt. Okay, I'll just give a random prompt. Okay, please make a video of a dog making bread while the puppies watch. No cinematic. Alright, so we are giving our prompts. Now, what you just have to do is just to tell it to run, right? So run, right? So we click on run. But Let me choose my aspect ratio. I like to use 16 by 9, which is a portrait mode. I like to keep it at normal. Duration, I just keep it at 6 seconds. Resolution, I just leave it at 480. Okay, so let's go. Let's run and see. Okay, so let's see the progress. Okay, okay, so it has started. Usually, it's a bit slower than the main Grok app, but it can be as fast as possible too. Okay, all right. So here we go. Here we go, guys. Now let's play our video to see how it came out. This is beautiful. Can't you see? I think it's good. All right, so you just click here, as usual to download, or click here to download. All right, whichever one you choose is same stuff. All right, so we're downloading our video already. So guys, you can use this site to make a video. Remember, when you come to the site, just okay. So let's download. All right. So once you come to the site, use your email and choose the password. Okay, to log in, and then they also ask you, to fill a captcha. Like captcha, they just ask you to, you just click on yes or the, to continue, and that's it.